Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide Toolbar in Safari on every Apple device. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, or iPad, or even the Mac, it is all going to work the same. You just need to have the Safari on. So what you want to do is to open Safari and open some website. Now I do have the Ferrari website, the main website that they have, and let's say I want to hide this toolbar right here, so this section. So what you want to do, if you want to do the same, press those little AA letters and then click hide toolbar. And now you do have a hidden toolbar, and if you click once on it, this is going to be once again here. So if you want to, for example, read something, it is really useful because you have more space on your screen right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.